Hello and welcome. I'm Carolyn. Thank you for joining. Today, we will bring awareness to the breath and gently feel it within the body. Let's begin. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Allow your body to be fully supported. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently release it. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Now let your breath find its own easy rhythm. Begin to notice where you feel the breath in your body. Perhaps at the nose, the chest, or the belly. There is no need to search. Just gently noticing what is already here. As you breathe in, feel a soft expansion. As you breathe out, feel a gentle release. Let your awareness follow this movement. The rising and the falling. The expanding and the softening. You may begin to feel the breath like a wave. Moving through the body. Gently flowing. moment by moment. If your mind begins to wander, simply notice and then gently guide your attention back to the feeling of the breath in the body. Again and again, returning with ease. Silently say to yourself, breathing in, I feel. Breathing out, I soften. Let this rhythm carry you. Stay here for a few gentle breaths. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take this awareness with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, may peace be with you.